Welcome to week 2 of Library Advocacy Unshushed. Last time, we looked at the values and commitments of librarianship that are the foundations of library advocacy. No matter how large the community, or what kind of community it is, or how new the technology is, the values that bind libraries are timeless. I'm talking about such values as service and stewardship. We saw that great libraries and librarianship are deeply rooted in communities, all sorts of human groups, and that's what makes them powerful. So when we are advocating for libraries, we are really advocating for the future of communities. This week, we're going to look at perceptions of libraries and librarians and what these perceptions tell us about how we can be effective advocates. We're going to see some wonderfully affirming research, and we're also going to see some surprises and some wake-up calls. The bottom line here is that advocates have to begin with the perceptions of their audience rather than with their own knowledge and convictions. In the first video called Love and Wake-Up Calls, we affirm that people do really love and use and value their libraries and the services of these libraries, but that doesn't necessarily get us very far. There is much about libraries that even people who use libraries often and who are big fans of libraries just simply don't know, as we're going to see in the next video. They don't know all of the services that libraries provide, or, as we will see in the video after that, the economic and social contribution of libraries to the community, or the state of library funding. In the final video, we're going to see that the true supporters of libraries aren't necessarily users at all. And here I'm talking about getting support for libraries rather than increasing library use. We're not focusing on getting more library members, although that's always a good thing, but instead on engaging the decision makers, those people who have the power to decide on library budgets or policies or the legislative frameworks within which we work. We are also, of course, seeking to engage and persuade the people who influence these decision makers. It may be highly worthwhile to increase use, but we all know, since we're not General Motors, that we can double our use and still have our budgets reduced, and that's, of course, what we want to avoid. So let's get on with love and wake-up calls.